Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Hammer Drill. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Makita Hammer Drill. Powerful 6.0 amp motor with 0 to 2800 RPMs and 0 to 44,800 BPM for the most demanding applications. Soft grip handle provides increased comfort on the job. Number 4. Shulker Rotary Hammer Drill. 13 amp, 1500 W motor that delivers powerful impact energy to complete heavy-duty projects on concrete, masonry and metal. 360 degrees adjustable handle applies to different work, and the upgraded double-layer anti-vibration system designed to decrease the vibration effectively and reduce fatigue. Number 3. Bosch Hammer Drill. Powerful 8.5 amp motor for high torque and high-speed drilling capabilities. Auxiliary handle with built-in depth gauge securely locks into place and provides consistent drilling depth. Securely clamping 1 or 2 inch 3-jaw chuck for rugged hammer drilling applications. Number 2. Dual Hammer Drill. Dual built high power, high efficiency brushless motor of Dual 20V hammer drill delivers up to 75% more runtime versus 18V NiCad brushed motors. 3-mode LED provides lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20x brighter than previous model. The cordless hammer drill features heavy-duty 1 or 2 inch. Number 1. Joachim Rotary Hammer Drill. Joachim provides two 4000 mAh battery and a fast charger. The SDS Plus chuck allows for easy and secure bit changes to keep your project going. The 360-degree shockproof handle design can reduce hand fatigue and improve drilling accuracy on the working surface.